guys, we're back with another video. Guys, I'm about to open my new Pokemon cards that I just got today. I'm so happy, and it has a coin in it. So let's get to it. So guys, I'm gonna open my Pokemon cards, and you guys are gonna watch me because I want you guys to watch me. So this is the pack. A code card. And don't forget about the front, the Charmander card, the holo. And don't forget also about the coin. Oh. It's like this. Like this. Look, guys. Look, I'm going to show you guys how to flip the coin. So guys, I'm going to open it. It's a 6-pack.
No, it comes with 10.
It comes with 10 cards.
The card trick is 4.
Yeah, another code card. And you gotta put, make sure when you guys are opening one, 4 cards to the front. Then you know what happens? You put an energy. I already told them about that. And then you get an energy on the first one. See, guys?
And here's the other code card.
Yep. So, an energy. Durian.
Camping gear.
Camping gear.
Hunch crow.
Hunch crow.
Ponyward.
Ponyward. Houndor, yeah, I know. Shinx. Gilligar. Bronzor.
And Galarian Mr. Rhyme.
Galarian Mr. Mime. That's it, guys. I didn't get V's or GX or EX, Ultra Rares, Rainbows. Didn't get any of that. But you know what's my favorite one of all? The holo. The holo is the best one. Pretty much. So, guys, my favorite part about this is the coin. I love coins. Look, guys. Wait. Okay, that's going to be the end of our video. Please subscribe, like, turn on notifications to see when we post another video. Bye, guys. And tell us what to do in the next video, guys, on the comments.